video, we are going to learn top 8 string functions in Go language. Our first function is toLower. toLower function converts all letters in the string to lowercase letters or small letters. To use toLower function, we need strings package. So import strings package, import strings, and then strings dot toLower. Here T and L is capital letters, so toLower takes the string argument and my value is Moss. Here we want our output in the console, so fmt.println. Make sure they have imported the string fmt package, fmt, and that's it. And one more thing, in this code we are also going to take a look at toUpper function. toUpper, okay, yeah. Here again T and U is caps and takes the string argument. Now run our code. That's it. Okay, Moss and Yeth. That's all. Our next function is title. Title function converts first letter in every word in the string to uppercase. Okay, let's code it. fmt.println strings dot title and takes the string Stephen Hawking. Now run our code. Here we can see the S first letter in the word Stephen is converted to uppercase and H in the word Hawking is converted to uppercase. Okay, our third function is trim. Trim function removes leading or trailing characters in the string. In this video, we will only look at 4 basic functions in trim. Okay, our first function in trim is trim space. Strings dot trim space takes a string argument, and here our string is message. Here T is caps and S is caps, and we want our output in the console, so println. This trim space function removes leading and trailing spaces in the string. Here we can see we have 2 spaces at the end of the string and 2 spaces at the start of the string. Now print our output. Hello, what's up guys? Here we can see we have no spaces at the start of the string and also at the end of the string. Okay, trim space. Our next function in trim is trim. Okay, fmt.println strings.trim. This trim function takes 2 arguments. First one is the string in which where you want to perform your operation, and the second one is the string which one you want to remove. Here our string is message, and here I want to remove for this video just let's add a and also at the start of the string a. Okay, here I want to remove a at the starting and also at the end of the string. So run our code. Okay, in the output we can see strings.trim function removed a at the start of the string and also at the end of the string. Okay, our next function is trim left. fmt.println strings.trim left. T caps and L caps, and as usual message and a. trim left trim left function removes specific characters only at the start of the string, and also the same for trim right function. Trim right function removes characters only at the end of the string. Now just a second. Leading removal, ending removal. Fine. Now run our code again. In the output, we can see the trim left function removed a at the start of the string here, and the trim right function removed a at the end of the string. Our fourth function is replace all. Replace all replaces all occurrences of a specified string with the new one. Here our string is mantra and the value is abracadabra. So here I want to replace all A's in the mantra with E. Strings dot replace all. The string I want to replace here is mantra. The character I want to replace here is A with E. Now print this output, fmt.println. Now run our code. Here we can see all A letters in the mantra are replaced with E. Okay. Golang also has replace function, just replace function, but it takes 4 arguments. fmt.println strings.replace, and don't forget or is caps, A is also caps, and here or is caps. Okay. Here replace function takes 4 arguments. The first one is the string in which where we want to perform our operation, mantra, and here I want to replace A with E for 2 times. That's all. In the string abracadabra, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A comes 5 times, but here we specified number 2. So the replace function only replaces the first 2 occurrences of A. Again, run our code. Here we can see in our output the first one is replaced, and the second one is also replaced, but the third one, but after the second one is remaining as usual. Our next function is split. Split function breaks down a string into an array of substrings with the specified operator. Strings dot split, here the split S is caps. Split function takes 2 arguments. First one is the string in which where we want to perform our split operation, and the second one is the separator, which means how we want to separate our string. A chord names is the first argument, and the separator here is comma, and this split function returns an array. So result, save it. Here we are going to iterate the result using for loop. Index, use range of result, then print each item in the array. So fmt.println result of index. Now run our code. In the output we can see each word is splitted using comma operator. Even though the space occurs, it only splits using the comma. First one is Chevron, it comes here. Second one is Koenigsegg, it comes here. Third one is MC11 P1 GTR, and fourth one is Tesla Roadster. Our sixth function is count. Count function returns number of occurrences of a given character in the given string. Count function takes two arguments. First one is the string and second one is the character we want to count in the given string. Okay, so strings dot count. First argument is the string and second argument is the character we want to count in the string. Here our character is a, and count function returns integer value, and also make sure you are using the capital C here. Okay, fmt.print ln. Now again run. Okay, now run our code. Here we are trying to count a. Here we can see the name Annie Hathaway has 4 A's. A, and A. Okay. Now let's run our code. Go run main.go. What a surprise! Here we only have the output of 3 because this count function is case sensitive. If we want our count operation to be case insensitive, then first we have to convert the given string to lowercase or uppercase, that's your choice. Here I am going to convert the given string to lowercase. Strings dot to lower t caps and l caps. That's it. Now again run our code. Okay, fine. Now we have an output as 4. That's fine. That's it. Our seventh function is contains. Contains function returns true if the given character is found in the given string. Contains function takes two arguments. First one is the string and second one is the character that we want to find in the string. Okay, now here we have a name called Elon Musk. Okay, in this name I want to find whether the character is found in the name or not. Okay, so strings dot contains. First one is the string. Here our string is name and second one is the character. Here our character is capital E and it returns boolean, so result fmt.println to print the output and then result. Now run our code. Here we can see in our output we have the result of true. If I change this capital E to small e, then it returns false. If we want our case contains to be case insensitive search, then we can simply convert the given string to lowercase or uppercase, that's your choice. So here I'm going to convert the given string to lowercase to lower and then again run our code. Now it returns true. That's all. Our last function is join. Join function concatenates the items in an array string to create a single string. Join function takes two arguments. First one is the array string and second one is the separator which gets placed between the items when concatenating the string array. Okay, let's get into code. We have result, so strings dot join j caps and first argument is the array string, so words. Here our separator is just space. Now we have our output fmt.print ln result. Now run our code. Here we can see we have the single we have the output in a single string. Okay, here our separator is also space. If I use some special characters like this one, now our output is like this. Okay, that's it. uh, you can also use the comma